Good morning, student. In previous video, you have learned finding square root by prime factorization method. In this video, we will find out square root by long division method. So let's begin. Square root of perfect square by long division method. Step 1. Group the digit in pairs starting with the digit in the unit place. Each pair and the remaining digit is called a period. Step 2. Think of the largest number whose square is equal to or just less than the first period. Take these numbers as the divisor and also the quotient. Step 3. Subtract the product of the divisor and the quotient from the first period and bring down the next period to the right of the remainder. This becomes the new dividend. Step 4. Now the new divisor is obtained by the taking 2 times the quotient and annexing with a suitable digit which is also taken as the next digit of the quotient. Chosen in such a way that the product of the new divisor and this digit is equal to or just less than the new dividend. Step 5. Repeat step 2, 3 and 4 till at the periods have been taken up. Now the quotient so obtained is the required square root of the given number. Here example is in square root of 5329. Number is given 5329. First you make the pair. That means you are starting from unit place. 9, 2 first period, 3, 5 second period. Then after you choose the number. Same number. Write in divisor and quotient. 7 7 is 49. Or if you are taking 8, then 8 8 is 64. 64 is greater than 53. That's why you take 7. 7 7 is 49. 7 you write in divisor place also and quotient place also. Then 49 you subtract this one 4. Then after you bring down 29. Pair 2 9. You both number you write down, bring down and divide. Then after 7 also plus here. So 7 plus 7, 14. Then after you write here number. Which number? Suppose you again you check same number. If you write divisor number, quotient also write same number. Here I am written 3. So 3 or 3 here. Then after you multiply 143 and 3 and check. So 143 into 3, 429. That means your square root is 73. And other example 66049. So first you make the pair in unit place, 49 in first period, 60 then 6. Only single number is left, you write only single number. Then after again divisor and quotient place you write 2. 2 2 is 4. Because 3 3 is 9, 9 is greater number. That's why 2 2 is 4. Then you subtract, subtraction remainder is 2. Then after you bring down 60. Then 2 plus 2, 4 you write here. Then again you choose number, 5 you write here. Write 5 here also. Then 45 into 5, 225. Then again you subtract this number. Remainder is 35. Then 5 plus 5 you add here. So 50. Then 49 bring down. Now again 7 you write divisor place and quotient place. So 507 into 7, 3549. The square root of 66049 equal to 257. Here I have solved other example. Here number is given 6.4009. That means decimal number is given. In this type question, you make the pair after decimal and before decimal. Before decimal number, here 6 given. You start your pair unit place. And after decimal number, you start your pair here 40 first period and 09 second period. Then after process is same. Then again you choose divisor and quotient same number. So 2 2s are 4 and 2 also plus here. 2 plus 2 4 and 6 minus 4 2. Then 40 bring down. Then 5 times this is after this decimal you put the decimal here. Then 5 times 45 into 5 225. Then remainder is 15. Then you bring down 09. Then 5 plus 5 0 4 5 0. Then 3 you write in divisor place and quotient place. So answer is 1509. That means square root of 6.4009 equal to 2.53. One more example, 0.8. Find the value of 0.8 in 2 place, 3 place, 4 place, like this. So first 0.8. After 8 you put the 0 yourself. If telling you find the square root after 3 place, then that means you make here 3 pairs. 0.8 after put the 1 0, then 80 is 1 pair. After this 0 0 0 0 0 0 is 2 pair. Then same process, 0 times divide. Then after 8 8 8 is 64, then 8 plus 8 16. Bring down this 0 pair. Then after 9 times, so 169 into 9 1521. Then remainder 7 9. Then again you bring down the 0 0. Then plus here 9 plus 9 18, 8 6 1 7 1 7 8. Then again you divide 4 times. Divisor place and quotient place you write same number. Then after you multiply 1784 into 4 7136 764. Here answer is 0.894. After decimal 2 place, then you find 3 place. If telling correct up 2 place of decimal, that means you find after decimal 3 place. Then third place, that means 4 you seen. 4 if less than or equal less than 5, that means your answer is 0.89. Or if greater than 5 or equal 5, that means your answer is 90. Here you round up this last digit number. Here I solved some exercise question. Exercise 3E. Question number 2. Find the value of 144. Your same method, 144, that means you make the pair. 44 1 period, 14 second period. Then after 3 times, 3 3s are 9. Then after 3 plus 3 6, 8 8 is 68 into 8 544. Fourth question 6241. Like this way I am solve. You see here. Next question, question number 5 7056. Here also 2 period. 70 and 56. First you divide 8 8 is 64. Then 8 also plus here. 116. Then 4 times 656. So 7056 square root of 7056 is 84. Next question, question number 7 11449. Here 3 periods. 1 period is 49, 14 and 1. 1, that means 1 time you divide. Quotient also 1 and divisor also 1. 1 time. Then 1 plus 1 2. Bring down 14. 14, that means if you put here 0, why? Because 14 is less than 20. Then 0 time 0 right here also, here, then 0 plus also here. That means 20. Then after you bring down 49, then 7 times. The square root of 11449 equal to 107. Next question 10404. Same, you make the pairs 0404 and 1. Same method is here also. Then after question number 10 17956. Here also 3 periods. First is 1 time, then 1 plus 1 2, then 3 times, then 4 times, like this way you see in the question. Then question number 12 also solved. 92416. Square root of 92416 is 304. After this, question number 14. Question number 14, word problem given. Find the least number which must be subtracted from 7581 to obtain a perfect square. Find this perfect square and its square root. 7581. Number is given 7581. You are asking which number you subtract. So first you find the square root of this given number. Try this number. You find the square root. 7581. First you make the pair. 81 and 75. 2 periods. Then you divide here. Here remainder is 12. That means you subtract 12. 87 square is less than 7581 by 12. That means you subtract only which number remainder is left. You subtract of the given number. That means your required perfect square number is 7581 minus 12 equal to 7569, or square root of 7569 equal to 87. Question number 15. Find the least number which must be added to 6203 to obtain a perfect square. Find this perfect square and its square root. First you find square root of 6203. 6203, here 2 pairs 03 and 62. Then same 7 7 is 49. 1 3 remainder, 03 bring down. Then 7 7 plus 14. 8 time you divide here. Here remainder is 119. In this question 119 remainder, but you don't add this number. First you see here given 78 square less than 6203 and 6203 is less than 79 square. Here I am find out 79 into 79, 6241. That means 6203 is less than 6241. The required number to be added 79 square minus 6203. 79 square 6241 minus 6203. Difference of this number is 38. That means you add 38 of the given number. The required perfect square number is 6241 and square root of 6241 79. Next question, question number 19. The area of a square field is 60025 meters square. A man cycle along its boundary at 18 km per hour. In how much time will the return to the starting point? Area of square field. Area of square field, side into side. Area given 60025 equal to side into side. That means side equal to under root 60025. You find out square root of 60025. First you make the pair 25, 0, and 6. 3 period here. Then you divide here. 2 2s are 4. Then 2 remainder. Then after 0 bring down. 2 plus 2 4. Then 4 times 176 like this way. So side equal to 245. Quotient 245. That means side equal to 245. After this, perimeter of square or total distance. First you find the total distance or perimeter of square are same. So 4 into side, 4 into 245 equal to 980 meter. Then after speed given 18 km per hour, that means speed given, speed equal to 18 km per hour and distance given meter. So first you change kilometer to meter and hour to minute. So 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. So 18 into 1000 meter upon 60 minute. Then you cancel this number. Your answer 5 meter per second. Distance is 980 meter. Time you find out. Time equal to distance upon speed. 980 by 5. 196 second, or you convert in minute and second. Your answer is 3 minutes 16 second. Now next exercise. Exercise 3F. Here find the square root of 33.64. First you make the pair after decimal and before decimal. One pair is given. Then process is same. Here 5 times. Then 64 bring down. Then 8 times. That means your quotient is 5.8 or square root of 33.64 equal to 5.8. Question number 3 also same. 156.25. Here you make before decimal, that means 56 is first pair and 1 is second pair. Then after decimal 25 only 1 pair. Then process is same. 156.25 equal to 12.5. Question number 5. 9.8596. Here 9 single number given. After decimal 85 first pair, 96 second pair. Then after same, square root of 9.8596 is 3.14. Question number 7. 1.0816. Square root of this number is 1.04. Question number 9. Find the under root 3 up to 2 places of decimal. Here telling 2 places, that means you find 3 places. Then after you round up last digit or last place. Under root 3 given in, first you write 3, then after put the decimal, then you make the pair of zeros. 1, 2, 3 pair you make. Then after same, you divide 1 time, 1 1 ja 1, remainder is 2, then bring down 0, 1 plus 1 2, then you try next 7 times, 7 27 into 7, 189, then again 11 remainder, then 7 27 plus 7 you add 34, then 3 times. So quotient is 1.732. Here third place is 2, 2 is less than 5, that means square root under root of 3 equal to 1.73. Next question, question number 11. Find the value 0.9, correct up 2 places of decimal. This is also same question. So 0.9, first you make put 1 0 and 90 first pair, then after 0 0 0 0 third pair. Here also find same process. So quotient is 0.948. Here third place is 8 or 8 is greater than 5, that means your answer is 0.95. Wait a student. Now next question number 12. Area, find the length of each side of square whose area is equal to the area of rectangle of length 13.6 meter and breadth 3.4 meter. So first you find area of rectangle. Formula of area of rectangle equal to length into breadth 13.6 into 3.5. You multiply this number, answer is 46.24 meter square. Then after given area of square equal to area of rectangle, that means area of square also 46.24. Then you write area of square equal to side into side. Then 46.24 equal to side into side. Then side equal to under root 46.24. Then find the square root of 46.24. Here answer is 6.8 meter. Next exercise, exercise 3G. Here question is given rational number form or fraction form. First one is given question number 3. Find the square root of 121 by 256. 121 square root of 121 is 11. 256 is 16. That means answer is 11 by 16. Question number 5. 13 by 36. First you change in improper fraction. 3 into 36 plus 13. 121 by 36. Then square root of 121 is 11. 36 is 6. Now next question. Question number 7. 333 by 289. Here also first you change in improper fraction. Multiply 289 into 3. Then plus 33. 900 by 289. Square root of 900 is 30 and 289 is 17. That means answer is 30 by 17. Question number 8. Here under root 80 upon under root 405 given. First you write only one time square root sign, then write 80 by 405. This number is cancelled. If number is cancelling, now you cancel this number. After cancelling, the number is 16 by 81. Then square root of 16 is 4 or square root of 18 is 9. That means answer is 4 by 9. Same as it is question number 9 also. 1183 by 2023. Here question written wrong, 1183, but here written 1083. You correct in your copy and cancel this number. Your answer is 169 by 289. Answer is 13 by 17. Question number 10. Under root 98 into under root 162. Here also first you write one time square root sign and write 98 into 162. Find the square root of 98 in prime factorization method. 2 into 7 into 7. Then after find the square root of 162 in prime factorization method. So 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. Then after you make the pair. Here 2 1 pair, 7 1 pair and 3 2 pair. That means you write 2 into 3 into 3 into 7, 126. Hope you understood the video. Thank you.